Welcome to another unboxing. This is of the Transcend USB 3.1 card reader. The reason why I wanted to get a card reader is to copy video footage from a drone memory card, specifically a micro SD card, which I also can do by directly connecting a USB-C cable to the drone. However, if I want to copy files that way, the drone needs to be switched on, and when it's switched on it uses quite a lot of battery power because the whole drone turns on, and also the cooling fans and the lights, so it's a lot more efficient to just take out the memory card from the drone and use a card reader such as this to copy photos and videos directly to your laptop or computer. In this case, this is a USB Type 1 connection which has a transfer speed of up to 130 megabytes per second for reading and 95 megabytes per second for writing. In this case is more important for reading because I will be copying files off the memory card to the computer, and this card reader accepts SD, SDHC, SDXC and micro SD and micro SDXC and compact flash or memory stick card. So it covers a wide range of card format, which helps if you have different electronic devices with different sizes of memory cards. Nowadays the most common memory cards are either the SD format or the micro SD format. In case of the drone which I use, that is the Mavic Air, it uses a micro SD format. In the packaging you'll find, other than the card reader, a USB cable with a fast connector at the other end, which is similar like the USB 3 connector which some portable hard disks have. This is significantly faster than a USB 1 or USB 2 type connector, but it also is more difficult to find such a cable. So let's unpack. It seems there's no easy way to unpack, so we'll have to use my trusty Swiss knife. This was made in 2018, so it's a fairly new card reader, and by the brand Transcend, which also make memory card. So they must know something about card reader. So this is the cable. It's a USB 3.0 cable, as you can see on this connector, and the width of the cable is noticeably thicker than a standard USB cable. And also on the logo you see a double S, which I believe stands for something super. So inside there's the paperwork which shows the type of cards which fit in the different slots, and the card reader is fairly compact, made out of plastic, but it seems fair quality, and it takes 0.9 ampere, and it's made in Taiwan. It has card slot on both sides. On one side there's the micro SD, the SDHC and XC, and the compact flash card, and on the other side there is the MS Pro and MS Duo card slot, as well as the USB 3.0 connector that connects the cable. Included in this product there's also a free download of the Transcend Recover RX software, which is available on their website. It's an easy to use software program that helps you to restore lost, damaged or accidentally deleted files, and you can download it for free on their website. They also have a note of caution to never remove or insert a memory card or disconnect the card reader while data is being transferred. and the maximum number of cards supported simultaneously is 3. So it means that you can insert 3 different memory cards on the card reader at the same time. However, the reader does not support simultaneous insertion of 2 cards from the same family, for example micro SD and full size SD. Other than that, there's another leaflet with other Transcend products, in this case dash cams for the car and also body camera. We have 4 different types of dash cameras, 5, with accessories such as a suction mount, adhesive mount, a car light adapter and a hardwire power cable. And on the other side they have 3 different kinds of body cameras which are also waterproof and dustproof and have a large field of view, and it also has an app for the body camera. That was my unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you on the next video.